Now today we are focused on branch, fundamental concept of branch, node and loop. Okay, how to check how many in given network, how many number of branches are possible, how many loops are possible, and how many nodes are possible. How to check? First of all, define branch. Branch. Suppose that a given network that is 5 ohm and this one plus minus 10 volt, that is 3 ohm and that is 5 ohm, like this one, and this one is 2 ampere, like this one. Clear? Suppose that a given network like this one. In this network, determine how many branches are possible, how many nodes are possible, and how many loop are possible. Okay. Now, first of all, define branch. Written as a branch represent a single element. Okay, single element such as voltage source or current source, clear, or resistor, clear, resistor. So how many branches are possible in the network? That is simply 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Maximum branch are 5. It means 5 branch are possible in given network. Clear? In between this point and this point, this is not any element. So you have not consider this one is a branch, this one is a branch. Branch means element, single element, like resistor, inductor, capacitor, like this one, and or you can say that voltage source or current source. Okay. So in given network, this one is a branch. How many maximum possible branch? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 maximum branch are 5. Clear? Now next one, node. Node means a node is the point of connection between two or more branches. Clear? 2 or more branches. Now this one is a branch, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is clear? How many number of branches is possible in this network? That is 5 branches. Clear? Now how many nodes are possible here? This point, this one, it is represent a single point, and this one also represent a single point. So, and this branch connected here, that's why suppose that is A, and you can say that it represents same potential, that's why B, and this one, or you can say the 1, 2, 3 point represent same point. 1, 2, 3 point potential are same, that's why you can say that a single point represent B. Okay, you can say that B. Similarly 4, 5, 6, 7, this point is represent a same point, or you can say that same potential are V4, V5, V6 and V7. That's why you can say that a represent like this one, C. Clear? So how many nodes are possible here? that is 3 nodes, 1, 2, 3. Only 3 nodes possible. Okay, maximum nodes are 3 nodes are possible in given network. Clear? And last one, loop. Our motto, how many loop are possible? And first of all, what is the meaning of the loop? A loop means any closed, you can say that a loop is any closed path in given network or given circuit or in a circuit. Okay, a loop is any closed path in a circuit. Clear? How many loops are possible in the circuit? First one, loop 1, A, or you can say A154, that is A1, sorry, A, or you can say that A154, loop 2, 1265, 1265, and loop 3, that is 2376, 2376. Clear? Here. Now loop 4. First of it is clear. This one loop, this is also loop, and this is also loop. Okay. Now this one is a super loop, or you can say that it is also the part of the loop. So 3 independent loop. This one, and this one are independent loop, and this loop are dependent of the corresponding to this one, this network also. So it is called super loop. So 4A26, that is loop 4, or loop 4 you can say that A264. Clear? And now next, loop 5. Loop 5 also possible or not? This one, A374, A374, and loop 6 are possible or not? This one, 1375, 1375. Okay, clear? That is loop 1, that is loop 2, and that is loop 3. Okay. If any doubt how to determine with the help of, you can also determine with the help of formula also. So first of all, right now, and after that we have written formula. With the help of formula also determine this value. Okay. First of all, right now. Now formula, B this equal to N plus L minus 1. What about L? L is independent loop, and N is the number of node, represent nodes, and B represent branch. Okay. With the help of this formula also determined. What about number of loops? Independent loop 1, 2, 3 are independent loop. So independent loop L is equal to 3. What about number of nodes? N is equal to 3. So what about number of branches possible? Put here, sorry, 3 and 3. 3 plus 3 minus 1, that is finally 5. Clear? 5 branches. If any doubt, then apply this formula and also find out the branches, loop and nodes also. Okay. Now we have considered another question. And this one is also make like this one. Suppose that is 5 ohm and this one is plus minus, that is 10 volt, and this one represent A. Okay. And this one is B, like this one, and current represent like this one, that is 2 ampere. 5 ohm and 3 ohm, that is A and that is B. Sorry, that is B and that is C. Okay. First of all, make it represent like this one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 branches. Okay. Number of nodes 1, A, B, C. 3 nodes are possible. And independent loop 1, 2, 3, and super loop 1. After that 3. This one super loop, and this one also super loop, and this one is also. So 3 independent loop and 3 super loop. This is the part of the loop. So how many loop are possible in the given network? 6. Make it. Another question like this one resistance, this one resistance. Okay. And this one voltage plus minus, that is 10 volt, and that is 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 5 ohm and 6 ohm. Clear? How many branches, nodes and how many loops possible in this network? Our motto, we are focused on step by step. How many branches? It is clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 branches. So B this equal to 5 branches. Clear? How many nodes are possible? This one, suppose that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8 represent same point. Why? Because of no resistance or you can say no any element are connected between 5, 6 or 6, 7 or 7, 8. That's why it is represent a single point. Okay. Clear? Suppose that this point is this point name is A. Clear? So, and 1 and 2 represent same point, and 3 and 4 represent same point. So that is B and this one C. So how many nodes are possible? A, B, C. 3 nodes are possible there. Okay. So N is equal to 3 nodes. Okay. Now make it. If any doubt, circuit make like this one, that is 5 ohm, or you can say that is 5 ohm, that is 10 volt. 10 volt represent like this one, and that is 6 ohm, and that is 1 ohm, and that is 2 ohm. Okay. And that is 5 ohm, and that is 10 volt. Clear? How many nodes? B, C and A, that is node. Clear? 3 nodes. How many branches? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 branches and 3 nodes. It's clear? How many independent loop? This one loop number 1, this one loop number 2, and this one loop number 3. 3 independent loop. Clear? L. What about L? That is 3. That is independent loop. Lens loop. Clear? So clear? If you want to any doubt, then also determine with the help of this one. Okay. If any doubt, what about branch? B this equal to, with the help of this one, that is 3 and 3. L this equal to 3 and node 3 minus 1, that is 5. If any doubt, then with the help of this formula also determine. So 3 independent loop. But our motto, we are focused on how many loop are possible in this network. 3 independent loop are first one written as here, loop number 1, loop 2, loop 3, loop 4 are possible or not, loop 5 and loop 6. Suppose loop number 1, check it. 1 2 6 5, that is 1 2 6 5. Now loop 2, 2 3 7 6 and 3 4 8 7, 3 4 8 7. Clear? Now next one, loop number 4. This one is also say that super loop. It is the part of the loop. So 1 3 7 5, 1 3 7 5. Clear? Next one, 1 4 8 5, 1 4 8 5. Clear? Now last one, this one is also create a super loop, 2 4 8 6, that is 2 4 8 6. How many loop are possible? 6. Okay, this one loop number 3, this one loop number 4, and this one loop number 5, and this one loop number 1 2 3. After that is 4, after that is 5, and after that is 6. There are 6 loop are possible there. Okay, and also 1375 is possible. 137, only 6 loop are possible here. Clear? Make it. If any doubt, with the help of this formula determine branch, node and number of loops. Okay, this formula valid for only branch and node, but if you determine how many number of loops are possible, then go to the basic like this one, 1 2 3. After that make super loop by this one. So this one is 4, this one is 5, and this one is 6. So 6 loop are possible here. 3 independent loop and 3 dependent loop, or you can say that super loop. Clear? What is the meaning of branch, what is the meaning of node, and what is the meaning of loop? Clear? So if any doubt, ask me in my comment. Sir, this is I face this problem, and send me problem, I can resolve it. Okay, make it.